Hello everyone, welcome to our introduction to n8n course. n8n is a powerful low-code automation platform that empowers users to automate tasks and workflows without extensive coding knowledge. It seamlessly integrates AI capabilities with business process automation, allowing you to build complex workflows using a virtual interface. Whether you are a developer or a non-technical user, and it will provide the tool to streamline your process efficiently. Now let's talk about interfaces. It contains mostly three interfaces: the workflows, nodes, and execution. Workflow is the whole process. Workflow contain a lot of nodes connected to each other. They made a flowchart type of structure, and you run the whole workflow. Nodes are the individual steps. So these are the steps which perform tasks like sending email or making an API call or checking weather. Now we have the execution. When you have to perform action, when we trigger a node using a special event like making an API call or scheduled event, there is the execution flow which runs sequentially from one node to the last node. So this whole process is called the execution. Now let's discuss about the types of node. n8n has mostly four types of nodes. First, a trigger node. This initiates workflows based on specific events or schedules. For example, a webflow trigger can start a workflow when data is received from an external service. Then we have the data transformation node. This node manipulates and formats data as it moves through the workflow. Now we have the action node. Action node performs specific tasks such as sending an email, creating a record in a database, or posting a message into a chat application. And last, we have the logic nodes. This node introduces decision-making capabilities into your workflow. They can evaluate conditions and direct the workflow paths accordingly, enabling complex branching logic. Now let's discuss about the types of triggers. So these are the triggers that execute the whole workflow. So the first one is the manual trigger. It will run when you click on the button in n8n, and then it will run the whole workflow. Then on app event, it will run the workflow when suppose when a new data is added to a Airtable or a new row is added to a Google Sheet. On a schedule, it will run at a specific period of time, suppose like in every hour or like every minute or a specific time every day. On that time, the trigger will run. Fourth one is on a webhook call. So it's like running an HTTP request. So when any external third-party tool do an API call to an ATN, then based on that request, it will run the workflow. On form submission, it's like when we add a suppose we have a Google form and we add the data. When the form is submitted, then it will trigger the NHN workflow, or it can be also executed by another workflow. Suppose the both two NHN workflow are connected with each other, then when one workflow triggers another workflow, then it will run. So these are the triggers. Now we will see the template